Each of our exhibits holds many secrets, which may not be detected during the initial examination. You never know what's hidden under layers of paint and rust. That's exactly why volume of work in the restoration process can increase several times. Traffic light signs, road signs, ticket offices, all this was collected, restored, and packed with great love by our specialists. Every restoration project begins with an almost detective search. Need to find as much information as possible, which will help shed light on that, what each restoration object was and will be like. But then the most interesting part begins. We need to either find the part we are interested in, or make it yourself. Knowing only some dimensions of the Leyland bus, we were able to establish its exact dimensions, and then they took the car apart literally into parts based on the photo, creating a detailed specification for mock-up makers.